I will never look at honey the same way again after learning this. Exposing the sweet truth about honey's healing powers. Stirring a spoonful of honey into hot tea can do wonders for that annoying cough. Honey acts like a natural shield, coating your throat and providing sweet relief. It's not just an old wives' tale, scientific studies back it up. Imagine soothing your throat and enjoying a tasty treat at the same time. Next time you feel that tickle, skip the medicine cabinet and reach for honey. Sip, smile, and feel better naturally. Got a tickle in your throat? Try a spoonful of honey for sweet relief. For more natural remedies, subscribe and feel your best. Health hacks made simple.